we are making stamps. I like art because it's fun to make.
We found out about CHAP through a Candlelighters event or newsletter soon after Max was diagnosed in 2017. I remember both of the boys really enjoyed making the stamps at camp. And Max went to the art shack multiple times a day.
You draw some on paper, then you trace it onto these, then you draw it on this, then you print it down, and other stamps, you carve them with this tool.
Max really enjoyed coming here to CHAP, and we really enjoyed having the kids here because art is an equalizer for kids like Max. There was no expectation. You didn't have to have a certain ability or strength. It was just accessible for him. We did camps, CHAP camps, and we had boxes of art supplies brought to our house, delivered to our house. It was this nice surprise.
With COVID, I still got to do CHAP online, and it was still fun.
I think Max joined almost every online art opportunity through CHAP during the pandemic. He definitely looked forward to it.
I wouldn't call myself an artistic person, but it's nice to be in this space together and really get inspired by the kids' interest and excitement.
Something that you want here, you'd like to have more of?
What do you think?
Brown paint. More brown paint. And paint that has glitter.
Do you want to thank the supporters? Say something to the people who donate money and supplies.
Anything under $1 million is unacceptable.